Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the English Cafe, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm so happy you're here today. How are you doing? I hope you had a great weekend, because today we're going to talk about the weekend, and we'll learn how to use the simple past tense. It's very easy, and by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your own weekend like a native speaker. But before we start, please help this channel. Click the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. It helps a lot. Okay, ready? Let's begin!
Let's talk about my weekend. My weekend was great. On Saturday morning, I woke up late, around 9:30 a.m. I know, I needed more sleep. Then I made breakfast, eggs, toast, and orange juice. A classic combination, right? After breakfast, I listened to some music and cleaned my room. Not very exciting, but a clean room makes me happy. In the afternoon, I visited my parents. My mom cooked delicious pasta. Oh, it was amazing. We talked, we laughed, and we enjoyed lunch together. Family time is always the best. In the evening, I watched a movie. It was a comedy, and I laughed a lot. A perfect way to end Saturday. Sunday fun day. On Sunday morning, I went to a cafe near my home. I drank coffee and ate a piece of chocolate cake. Yes, cake for breakfast. Why not? It was sweet, delicious, and relaxing. After that, I went shopping. I didn't buy much, just a new t-shirt. It's blue, my favorite color. Sometimes, shopping alone is nice. You can take your time and think. In the evening, I prepared for the week. I checked my emails, planned my schedule, and organized my clothes for Monday. Not very fun, but necessary. And for dinner, I didn't cook. I ordered pizza, vegetable pizza, and it was so good. The perfect Sunday dinner. Now let's learn some English. Okay, now let's talk about grammar. Don't worry, it's easy. All the verbs I used today were in the simple past tense. Listen again. I woke up late. Wake woke. I made breakfast. Make made. I went to a cafe. Go went. I ate cake. Eat ate. I drank coffee. Drink drank. I watched a movie. Watch watched. I visited my parents. Visit visited. See, some verbs just add ed, like visited, watched, cleaned. These are called regular verbs. Other verbs change form completely like go went, eat ate, drink drank. These are irregular verbs. It may look hard, but don't worry. The more you use them, the easier it becomes. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Think about your weekend. What did you do? You can say things like, I watched a movie. I met my friend. I visited my family. I cleaned my room. I slept a lot. Easy, right? You can also ask questions with did. Did you go out on Sunday? Did you watch a movie? Did you cook dinner? And for no, use didn't. No, I didn't go out. I didn't cook dinner. That's it. You're using the past tense. Wrap up. So that was my weekend. Relaxing, fun, and delicious. And you learned a lot of past tense verbs today. Now, I want you to practice. Write one sentence in the comments. I underscore 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 on the weekend. For example, I watched a movie, or I visited my friend. I can't wait to read your comments. Thank you for watching the English Cafe. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. You help this channel grow and help more people learn English. I'll see you next time. Take care and have an amazing week.